Control number 42474, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Judith D. Magbulugtong. I am 37 years old, single. I have a 10-year-old daughter. I have 3 sisters. I am third in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate in Eastern Samar National Comprehensive High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to support my family and to give my daughter a good education.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I am domestic helper, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newborn babies and children?
Yes, I give them bath, feed them, and changing clothes.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook, tutor, and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Arabic food like sharaba, laham, and sambusa.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am honest, responsible, and trustworthy.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We are in good relationship. They treat me as their family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
There, sir, ma'am, if you pick me as domestic helper, I can guarantee you that I can be a good helper and I will finish my 2-year contract and more. Thank you.